3 years ago, I started my own clothing brand, and I've made thousands of sales since then. Here is how you can start your own like I did for free. It all starts with an idea. I recommend making an inspiration album or folder so you can look back and help inspire more ideas. Once you have a high quality design, you need a way to have your clothing printed and shipped. And luckily, we can have that done for free using a service called Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand service that will connect directly to your website or store. And as soon as you get an order in, they will ship out your product for you to your customer. The most streetwear-like shirt Printify offers is called the Hanes Beefy Tee. It's got a nice boxy fit with a heavyweight 6-ounce fabric weight. There's a lot of colors available, and this is what I use for my graphic tees, and they turn out wonderful. It's fulfilled by Inkblot, and at max size, it can print all the way up to a 15 by 17 inch graphic print, which is pretty big. I recommend getting a sample of each shirt that you produce so that you know that you have a quality product before you release it to your customers. Save your mockups as PNGs and improve them in Photoshop if you need to. Now you need a place to sell. You could start an Etsy shop for free, or you could buy a cheap domain and invest in a Shopify account. As you scale, you're probably going to want your own website. Getting people to buy your clothing becomes the next hardest part in the process. You're going to want to find your niche and post consistently on social media in that niche to get organic traffic to your website and to your products. This is very hard. If you want to make it work, you need to put in the work. If this helped you or inspired you, let me know. Thank you for watching and good luck.